In light of the prevailing unrest in neighboring countries and resultant apprehension of illegal migration into Manipur, the state government has issued comprehensive advisory for strict implementation of preventive measures. Commissioner cum Secretary Home N. Ashok Kumar in a press release stated that a robust mechanism must be in place to prevent any illegal entry across the international, interstate and inter-district boundaries. All deputy commissioners and superintendents of police have been directed to maintain utmost vigilance and act promptly on any suspicious movement. The advisory mandates that biographic and biometric details of any detected illegal migrants must be captured without fail. Those identified are to be kept in secure designated shelters where they may be provided with necessary humanitarian support, but without allowing them to mix with the local population. It further stated that such migrants shall be deported following due legal procedures. To strengthen field level monitoring, all DCs have been asked to form district level committees, including members from the district police, to conduct regular checks at suspected locations. Moreover, the border pass system's entry and exit points are to be closely monitored, and overstay or defaulting individuals are to be traced by the district police. A district level task force has also been instructed to be operationalized at the earliest. The task force will include additional SP of the district as leader, an officer from the DC's office not below the rank of SDC, representatives of Assam Rifles, BSF or CRPF as required, and biometric staff.